So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes.
Oh my God.
Who is that?
No, I'm like your biggest fan ever, please.
Doesn't she look excited? She really was a superstar. You've seen this girl before, you've seen her induction, and now we're going into another skit with this young lady. And this week, as you saw there, she's participating with the audience. So we're talking about audience participation. I've spoke about audience participation before, but today I'm actually talking about listening to the audience as well, because there's a lovely example in this video where it's important to listen to the audience. Just keep watching. Hi there, my name's Turan. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist. As I said, today we're talking about audience interaction, probably more than participation, because there's a very important thing you're going to see right at the start as I'm giving the suggestion to this young lady, and it's important to keep this thought in mind when you're giving out any suggestion. There's also the interaction, because as you saw at that little teaser clip at the beginning there, that she interacted with the person, and also again some interesting things to see in this clip. So let's get straight into it. As always, what I'm going to do is talk about in a tutorial fashion what you're going to see in this street hypnosis clip after you've seen the street hypnosis clip. So do watch the clip, but stay tuned. Really hope you'll stay tuned and hear about what I have to say about audience interaction and audience participation. There is a slight difference. Do you know what it is? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button so that you can keep notified of every video that comes out from myself. I really hope you enjoy this channel and hope you get information and education about what hypnosis is and the important things to keep in mind if you are learning and practicing street hypnosis, as many of my commenters are. With that comment in mind, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, whether it's generally about hypnosis. And I got a question last week from last week's video, and it was a nice question in itself, and it was asking me about hypnotizing people over the phone. So stay tuned. Hope you're still watching after you made that comment, and I'm going to be answering that maybe in a future video. Can you hypnotize someone over a phone? Stay tuned and find out. Anyway, let's watch this video and then I'll talk about it afterwards.
In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. You no longer feel like uncontrollably laughing. But when you wake up, you're going to look around and you're going to see your favourite anime or Pokemon or cosplay character standing around. What's that? She doesn't want to. You're going to look around, you're going to see your favourite movie star. That favourite person you've always wanted to meet, maybe a TV character, a movie star, that favourite person you've always wanted to meet. Nod your head that you understand. You're going to see a girl with glasses on in black, and she is going to be your favourite movie star. Nod your head that you understand. You're going to be really excited. You're going to want to ask for a selfie. You want to go ask for an autograph. You're going to be so excited. You're going to tell them how much you love all their stuff that they do. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes.
Oh my God.
Who is that?
No, I'm like your biggest fan ever, please. Can I have a photo? No comment. Hold on, wait, can I please have a photo?
Come over here, come on. Who is it? I'm terrible with names. Who is that?
It's Jennifer Aniston.
Oh my goodness, Jennifer Aniston. Oh, what do you like? Best in the movies or in Friends?
Everything.
Everything. Oh goodness. What is your favourite?
It's just Friends. You know, I just love Friends. I've watched it all like this summer, and oh my God.
My goodness. What's your favourite episode?
Just all of them.
My goodness. Get an autograph. Get an autograph. Here.
Can you like sign my arm?
Here. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Oh my God.
Wow, isn't that lovely? Look, it says Jennifer Aniston with love. Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Wow. What about a selfie? Have you got a camera?
Yeah, hold on.
Did you know Jennifer Aniston was going to be at QCon?
No.
Look, it's so exciting.
I'll see you around.
Can I get in the picture with Jennifer Aniston as well?
No.
Oh, wow. See these movie stars? They're so controversial.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, make sure you tag that you're with Jennifer Aniston now. Wow, fantastic.
No.
Put your camera away safe.
No.
Wow, Wow, isn't that great? Jennifer Aniston.
I've got to go. Got the movie career.
Oh, wow. Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and then when you open your eyes, that girl in the black is no longer Jennifer Aniston. She's back to normal. But you'll always treasure that photograph that you have, and you'll post that photograph on the Feel Good Hypnosis Facebook group and say you were with Jennifer Aniston.
So, welcome back. Wasn't she a star, and wasn't the audience member a superstar as well? And did you notice what happened there right at the beginning? As I was giving that suggestion, I thought, because of it as a cosplay event, the QCon in Belfast, it's Queen's University's cosplay, lovely gaming and cosplay event. The majority of the videos you'll see on my channel are from that event, because it's a great event to go to and hypnotize people and get some nice videos from, especially seeing the beautiful costumes from time to time. Now, this girl was not in a cosplay costume, and I start off by giving a suggestion. In a minute you're going to see a Pokemon character or a cosplay character, and the intention of that suggestion, as you can guess from what you saw in that video, was that she was going to see her favorite cosplay character. Now, quickly, as I was reciting that, thankfully someone in the audience who was her friend was able to tell me she's not really into cosplay, so she doesn't know any cosplay characters. So there was a danger that that suggestion would have fallen flat in its face, even though I was at a cosplay convention. Maybe some people are just going for the first time to see the beautiful costumes. And hence it's important, as I say, to listen to the audience. And also, when you're giving the suggestion to the subject you're hypnotizing, make sure the audience can hear the suggestion, because if they can't hear the suggestion, they're going to get bored and wander off, because it does take a minute or so, or a good decent moment of time to convey the suggestion. But also, it allows them to give you feedback if they think that suggestion is not going to fit the person that you're hypnotizing. So, two very important reasons to listen and interact with the audience. So I change the suggestion up a bit, and I say, instead of seeing a cosplay character or a Pokemon character, you're going to see your favourite movie or TV star. And 1, 2, 3, wide awake, and bang, look how energized she was, look how excited she was. She runs after an audience member that she has latched onto as imagining inside her mind, so it's not actually Jennifer Aniston, but she imagined it was Jennifer Aniston. So she dashes after that girl. Now, I always say that never worry about incorporating an audience member into your suggestion, and as I did in this situation. But there was that instance where that audience member wandered off, ran away practically, rather than wandering off. She probably thought she was going to get hypnotized, or something was going to happen that she didn't want to happen. But she still came back into the fold. She still interacted. I beckoned her over. I wasn't afraid to, just say, everything's okay, just come over here for a second. And look what happened once she figured out what was going on. And you can tell as you listen to that video, maybe she wasn't a native to Belfast in Northern Ireland, from her accent. Sounded slightly European accent. So there was a chance that she just didn't comprehend fully what was going on in the situation. Once she realized that the girl thought she was Jennifer Aniston, she played along. When I says, let's get a selfie, she put her arm around the girl and embraced the idea that, she thinks I'm Jennifer Aniston. She signed the autograph beautifully on the girl's arm. And again, that's a nice added bonus. If you watch the video I released a couple of months ago, on Christmas Day actually, where I was about to get a lady's arm signed, and then I realized she has a white shirt and the ink on her arm might interfere with the white blouse, so I didn't do that. So it was nice that the girl herself signed my arm. Beautiful, nice concept. That's what I always carry. Again, talking of props, I always carry a Sharpie with me just for that skit. So see the importance of audience participation, not just in terms of utilizing them as a prop in this case. No offense to the lady in question when I say using her as a prop, just I made her, I utilized her as Jennifer Aniston. But also I was listening out to the audience all the time, and I was making sure that as I was communicating to the girl what the suggestion was, I was making sure the audience could hear it as well. It's important to involve the audience every step of the way. That's an important part of street hypnosis. So we hope you like that little feedback, little breakdown of what was going on there. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click that subscribe button and the bell notification button as well. It really helps my channel grow and helps me gauge that you do want to see more of these videos, so please do subscribe. In the meantime, I'll put the link to her induction here so you can check that out. It was a lovely video in itself, released back in November, so check that video out, and I release a new video every Sunday, so keep watching.